Hi friends, now we will discuss about Vlookup and actual how Vlookup works, right? So it is a very important function of Excel. Most of the companies work on Vlookup. So in this video we will see how Vlookup works. So this is our order table, right? So in order table this is your order ID, this is customer name, this is amount and this is payment, right? So we will use the Vlookup function. Vlookup work from left to right. Vlookup function work from left to right, not right to left, right? Always work from left to right. So Vlookup. So here this is Vlookup function. Looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default the table must be sorted in an ascending order, right? So this is our Vlookup. Here you can see it is saying lookup value first, second table array, third column index number, the fourth range underscore lookup, right? First we will see the lookup value. Suppose we insert lookup value 1002, we insert the lookup value. Now it is saying insert the table array. Like what is the table in which table you want to search. So let us see if we give this table, right? So now we have given this table. Now it is saying what is column index number, किस कॉलम में आप सर्च करना चाहते हो. ये जो आपकी वैल्यू है लुकअप वैल्यू, ये टेबल है आपकी, ये आपकी लुकअप वैल्यू है. तो इस वैल्यू को आप किस कॉलम में सर्च करना चाहते हो, इन विच कॉलम यू वांट टू सर्च. सो सपोज दिस इज अवर ऑर्डर आईडी 1002. हम इस ऑर्डर आईडी को पता करना चाहते हैं कि इस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर आईडी पे ये पेमेंट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, पेमेंट इज डन और नॉट, वी वांट टू चेक. So here in this table, this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, this is column 4. So we want to check the order ID 1002, the payment status. So payment is pending or done. So right, so we want to check. So we will give the column 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will give the 4 as a column number. Now last fourth is true. If we want true or 1 is for true match, that means approximate match and nearby. But if you want to exact match, then you will pass the false or 0, right? So if I select false first, right, if I select false, right, so this is a complete Vlookup function, right? So this is your lookup value first, then this is your table, and this your in which column you want to search, for this value. And now false give you the exact result, not approximate. So enter. Now you can see it is showing done. So here we are checking 1002. So this is 1002 and you can see this is done, payment is done, right? If you change, right, 1 minute, if you change here, if you change 1006, now see the output, see pending. So what is order ID 1006 and what is payment status pending, right? So if we want to check what is the at order ID 106, what is the customer name, so we will have to pass, what will have to pass, the column name. Here we will change the column name 2, right? So this is column 1, this is column 2. Suppose you can say 1 column, 2 column, 3 column and 4th column, right? So in this way you can see this is the column number, right? So if you want to access customer name against order 1066, then how you can access in this way? You will provide a column number 2 again 006, So you can see the customer name is Suresh. If you want to access Amit at against order 1003, what you can provide, you will provide here customer, you want to check customer ID 1003 and you will access Amit. So now Amit is access, right? If you want to check the how much amount the customer uh, order ID at 1004 is paid, how much amount, right? So here we will need to pass the column number is 3, right? So if we want to check at order ID 1004 how much amount is paid by the order ID 1004, then we will have to pass the column is 3 and press enter. Now you can see 1004 given the 900, paid the 900 amount. If you want to check suppose this amount 1001 order, if you want to check against 1001 1001 order how much amount he paid, you can check 1001 paid the 1000 amount, right? So in this case you will have to pass the column number 3. So this always work from left to right, right? One more thing I want to explain you. Suppose if we want to VLOOKUP, if suppose we take 1000, suppose we take 1500, this shell value 1500 comma we take this whole table, right? And now we want to access suppose this column 1, this is column we want to access this 4, right, and 0. So it will give the error, right? So VLOOKUP actually work from left to right. We have checking the value at 1500, right? But we are considering a whole table. It is wrong actually, right? So if we want to check at 1500 amount is paid or not, then you will give to only this table only, and right, and you will have to pass column number 2, then 0, then enter. Now you can see at 1500 is payment done, at 1500 payment is done, right? Or if you want to access at 1200, suppose you want to access 1200, then you can see 1200 is also done. At 1600, what is the result? If you pass here 1600, so what is it is status pending, right? So if we cannot search from right to left, we always work from left to right, and right, so it is properly working, there is no issue here, right? So VLOOKUP always work from left to right, right? So it takes 4 values, first lookup value, then table, then column number, then it will take 0 for exact match, 1 for approximate match. So this is all about the VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.